Hi, Norma and Emily. Let's do a quick run through of how to set up a Teams meeting for the tutoring sessions. So if you click on Teams, if you don't have that icon, we can just go over here and we can type in Teams, and we'll select Microsoft Teams. It'll take a second to open. All right, once it opens, we can go ahead and we can click New Meeting up here in the top right corner. So we'll say New Meeting. We're going to add a title, so you can add Math Tutoring Center. All right, there. And then required attendees, what I'd encourage is you typing in both of your names here. And I unfortunately can't do it from mine because it's going to block out my whole calendar. Then from timing, we're going to have to go over here. We'll click a 7:30 until 3:30 or whatever time the hours are. I think that was it, but I might be off. And we've got that set up. The next thing I would do is just go to repeating right here, and I would select the every weekday, Monday through Friday, and then you can click on that and you can actually go to customize. Oops, I hit the wrong button there. So we can go to customize, and then once you do that, you can select end date. So we can set an end date wherever you might think it's appropriate. So for that week, maybe the 4th would be a good end date. And then you can always extend it later if we need to, and then just keep the same length. Once you're done with that, you just hit save. That's set up. You really don't need any description. At this point, you can just go up here to the top and click send. And that link will go out to each of you at that point. All right, now, once you've done that, and I'm going to close this because I don't want that in my calendar. Once you have that, then you can just go over here to the left, hit calendar, and you'll notice I've got a bunch of meetings in there. So you're just going to go to the meeting that you need to. So we'd go over to the week where it starts and just click on the meeting that you'll have. It'll be filled in there. And once you double click it, down here, this piece right here, this is the address that I need you to copy and send to me. So just copy link, open up an email, you can paste it in, send that email to me, and then I will get the link out to those that need it. And then what you'll have is when you need to go to the meeting, you'll just go to your calendar in Teams, and you can just click on that meeting, and it'll take you right there from your calendar. The link will stay consistent for all of them because we set it up as a repeating meeting. All right, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to talk you through how to do it or any other setup on it. Thanks. Bye.